the Ramen Rainer coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles. And today we've got one from Malaysia. This is MyKuali with their white curry broth noodle, actually rice vermicelli. These guys have been on the top 10 list lots of times. They've got their famous, I wanted to say infamous, but it's not infamous. It's good stuff, so it's not like a bad guy, that's for sure. Their, what do you call it? Penang white curry. Their Hokkien mee, which is spot on and wonderful. And their red tom yum goong. And they also have a fried noodle, kind of like a mee goreng. Oh man, that's good. And anyways, yeah, so we cooked the rice vermicelli for tray minutes. So I guess it's time for me to have an episode about mung bean sprouts, which I do from time to time. And this is the episode where I will complain about the fact that my store doesn't have like really like long shelf life mung bean sprouts. It's like, come on, you know, I use them all the time. And by the time it gets to this point, it's like, I think I'll have bought mung bean sprouts at my local Safeway store 3 times this week because they only, it's like today's the 17th. These are good till the 19th, but they'll be bad tomorrow. They last like till the day before the expiration date. That's like an axiom for mung bean sprouts. What's, at least they're the Salad Cosmo ones. That is the brand I recommend, endorse, and love. But the thing is, like, you go to H Mart and they've got mung bean sprouts in bags with no expiration date on them. Mung bean sprouts are very sensitive, delicate things, and yeah. Anyways, I love mung bean sprouts, and they're definitely something you need for doing Malaysian varieties. Or if you don't have them, it's kind of rough. But yeah. So fish broth. I've had this one quite a few times. Not the vermicelli. I've had the vermicelli bowl, but not the pack version. I don't expect there to be much difference. And yeah, it's a nice, tasty broth. I like it quite a bit. So there you go. It's almost like a chowder. Just like a saltier chowder. Obviously not full of cream and stuff. But yeah. It's good. It's good. You like. If you like seafood, you'll like it. If you don't like seafood, you might kind of run into a, oh, I don't like that. So. But I think you might be surprised. I think you'll like it. Is it available here? I don't know. I don't know if it's here in the States. I want to say it is. I haven't seen it at the 99 Ranch. They've got all the other ones. Just go for the package that has the Ramen Rainer logo on it. See? Oh, I can't really. Yeah. Right. There. Yeah, if you look on Noodles at the store and you see my logo on it, that means I like it. I really haven't had any companies that, so the way it works is company gets on the top 10 list and I really like their stuff, and then they might want to get my logo on their stuff. They don't generally like, yeah, you gave me like 0 stars. Can we put your logo on our product? You could, I guess, but I don't. Yeah, I've never had any company that I've given really poor rankings to. They've never really wanted. What you doing?
I'm driving.
You're driving? Wow.
I'm driving in the Miles car.
Ah, the Miles car.
But I'll be right back.
Okay, well, it'll be banana time shortly. All bananas, ladies and gentlemen. All of it is bananas. So that's the vegetable sachet, non-dairy creamer, which gives it the milky appearance. And then we have the actual broth paste slash sauce. And that'll go on in right now. There we are. There we are. Yeah, I don't know. If I go to 99 Ranch, I usually can get mung bean sprouts that are a week out. But at the local grocery store, man, they're only good for like a lot of the time. I mean, sometimes I will get them and they'll be good for a week, but that's rare. Mostly when I get them, they're going to be good for like 3 days, maybe if I'm lucky. That's also been kind of an impetus for doing more reviews lately, because it's like I don't like wasting them. But yeah, here we are with our vermicelli. Something I usually do with vermicelli like this, I give a couple cross cuts with a pair of kitchen scissors to make the lengths a little more manageable. There we go. Now you're stirring. Now you're stirring. So let's give this a try. There's our rice vermicelli, aka bihun. And our broth. Delicious. Delicious. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Do I want to use this bowl? I don't know what other bowl I would use. Oh. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a good 1-2 punch of try. Since it is rice vermicelli, I'm pretty sure this is gluten-free, but don't quote me on it. Quote me on that. I said I was pretty sure. You would have to look at the ingredients. My wife's doing the gluten-free thing, and it's like, so is this gluten-free? Well, generally the things I think are gluten-free aren't. You're really picky about it. And what's supposed to be gluten-free? But she enjoys the gluten-free way. Yeah, when are these good till? 5/19. This is 5/17. Oh yeah, this is the last day these will be good. Children. These are going. And toss in an egg. I do have an egg, right? I only have one left. Wow. That's enough of the potty talk out there, you guys. Talking about poop. Goodness gracious. Oh, stop. The antagonization never ends, folks. Spring onion. A little crushed red pepper. And, oh, do I want to do that? I do, but I don't, should I? You know, I'm going to use black sesame seed on this for an offset of color. Children are being far too silly for me this morning. But, you know, it's their way. They're children. They're children. Okay, are you centered? No. That's pretty good. I think I've been shooting my videos today in 4K, which is not what I was hoping to do. You know what I need to do also?
Papa, look at this.
Not right now, sweetie. Out of the kitchen. Go, go, go. Oh my God. I will look at the beautiful unicorns and stuff in a moment. Well, cool, yeah. Check out MyKuali stuff. You can find it all over the place here in the U.S. and abroad, and it's excellent. If you haven't tried that white curry, you owe it to yourself to give it a try. Everything from Malaysia is wonderful. Almost everything, but their stuff is really good. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.